So we have a new subscription box that we're going to be trying out. I signed up just because I've been a little bit frustrated with my Misfits boxes, and I wanted to try something quick and easy that I could get food in, get it cooked, and try some new recipes. So I've done the Home Chef before, and I really liked it, but I was getting a lot of the same meals or gravitating towards the same things. So I figured I'd try a new plan, a new program, and see how I like it. And even if we could rotate in between the two for a while, we'll see. But this is the first time I've ever tried this, so I figured I'd open it up and let y'all see what we got, and then we'll keep y'all posted on what we like, what we don't like, all of that. I've never watched an unboxing from EveryPlate. I've not done any of that. It was very affordable and cost efficient. Plus I had like a $20 off thing for it, so I figured why not give it a try. I'll post the little $20 off in the comments too if y'all want to give it a try, and you'll get $20 off. I don't know how they did it, but I got the $20 off of it, off the box. I did choose the 4-meal plan to feed 4 people. And I remember with Home Chef, like I got it never seemed like it was a ton of food. I was always worried that it would be enough, but it was always like I would order the, I think, 3-person feed for my Home Chef, and it fed all 4 of us. Like we did well with it. Long story short, we're getting right into this. This one should be 4 meals to feed 4 people. So we'll see how that looks. I did pick my meals. It gives you a list of, I think, like 13 or 14 meals, 12, 13, 14, somewhere around there. And then just some meat pack options by itself. And I picked 4 different meals. It says, we're here for you. Visit EveryPlate. Be there for others. Visit our site to get a $20 discount. And you'll get a $20 credit for every friend who uses it. Also, I know they had sent me the $20 discount code, but I didn't see the other part. But again, I'll share that in the comments down below, and y'all use it if you want to give it a try. So this says sweet spoonfuls of wow. Oh, this is, it says scan the QR code for a $500 gift card. I don't know. But this is the Zespri Sun Gold kiwi, which I've seen these in either Costco or Sam's or something. It was Sam's. I got the golden kiwi. They are not my favorite. I actually prefer regular kiwi, but that's cool. And then this looks like these are the recipe cards. So very colorful. Yummer, yummer. And then a little cardboard. Oh, like a little makeshift cooler. I like it. Now, one thing I can see already where Home Chef has them one up is Home Chef has all of their, like for each meal kit, in a separate bag. So all you do is literally pull out the bag, grab your protein and your recipe card, and see if I actually, yes, I do. I told you I used to have Home Chef. This was my Home Chef binder that I loved. So when they first sent me all my stuff, it came with a little small binder. But it was the welcome stuff. It told you like how to manage your meals and do all of that. And then this is how each of their recipe cards come. Now I haven't used them in a while, at least 6 months. So they may have changed, but it would always show you the meal and then the how-to, and it would tell you somewhere, everything that should have been in your bag, the difficulty, the time, once you received your box, how long you should, like before you should cook it. All of that. And these are the ones that I really liked that I saved. Because again, you could take the measurements here and the recipes on the back and recreate it even without the box. So, and now see how many, and I did duplicates, but I didn't save any duplicates. So, I had a bunch of really good meals. But that was my Home Chef. So a little bit different already, but well, it looks like we'll have to like sort out. This is chicken broth concentrate, some sour creams, fry seasoning, Tuscan heat spice. Now, do these tell me which? They don't. And fry seasoning. It doesn't tell me which recipes, but I'm sure this stuff will. Some cream cheese, some honey, some beef. It says beef, but I'm guessing like a beef consomme, like seasoned thing, and ancho chili powder. So I guess that's like our seasoning condiment stuff. Some linguine. So obviously that's going to be for the lemony asparagus tomato linguine. And then some green onions. The green onions look wonderful. I like that. Y'all, this is funny. So some sliced white bread, like in a little bitty package. What does this go for? Did something come with toast or green beans, carrots? I don't remember. Oh, it does tell you on the card the stuff that you should have with it. But what is the bread for? Oh, for the meatballs. So these 2 slices of bread, oh, there's the kiddos, for the gravy lover meatballs. So our tomato, not in the best shape, but not too bad. That's going to be for some of that in there. Our green beans, a little bit slimy, but not bad. And it looks like they've snipped most of the ends. So they just need to be washed up. Not terrible. These look really nice and yummer. Now, that tomato is a little bit dinged up and a little bit worse for the wear than the other one. And we got another tomato. It looks good. It's split at the end. So they just need some help in the packing department. And that one looks beautiful. A little bit soft, but again, not bad. Very usable. A carrot. Ooh, yummy pepper. Jalapeno pepper looks good. Our asparagus looks good and looks like they've already trimmed it as well. So that saves. Now, we need to use this soon because the stalks are starting to get wet. So, definitely need to use that. But the asparagus looks good. I know I did upgrade one of them. It had said something, and I upgraded it to the asparagus. Or maybe not. That's the asparagus for the linguine. I upgraded one of mine, like the vegetables on it. Maybe it was this chicken. I did it with the zucchini instead of carrots or something. I'm not sure. Which it may be on a different week that I upgraded. Because I went ahead and planned the 2 weeks out. And then, oh, this says HelloFresh. Is every plate a part of HelloFresh? And I just didn't know that. But the back says HelloFresh on here. But this is a zucchini. Zucchini looks good. It's definitely small compared to our Misfits zucchinis, but usable. Not bad. What else we got? Another zucchini, and it's in good shape too. 2 packs of Parmesan, probably for our linguine. Garlic, looks good. What else we got in here? Oh, a free sample of the gold kiwi. That's nice. I'll let Thatcher have that. Again, I prefer the regular ones. It wasn't bad, it's just, maybe it's because I really like the plain green ones. Carrots, they look good. Nice little onion. That one, not as nice, but we can chop it up and maybe it's just superficial. Still very usable, not a problem. And another little garlic. And some more carrots. So carrots are awesome. My kids love carrots. They're sweet, but they're still got good good nutritional value. 2 lemons, again, probably for the linguine. And then in a little box in here, that's all of our potatoes. Oh, we've got another little garlic piece. But our potatoes. So the potatoes, again, carrots and potatoes are a very cheap vegetable. So they're probably going to be fillers. I expect they'll be fillers for a lot of stuff. And most of the potatoes look good. There's a few in here that like are soft and have this to them, but they're nice Yukon. Potatoes look good. Let's see, we need potatoes for the honey ancho chicken, which is honey ancho chicken with roasted zucchini and garlic butter mashed potatoes. So that will use some potatoes. Gravy lovers meatballs with roasted garlic mashed potatoes and green beans. So that will use the potatoes. Pork chops and jalapeno gravy with crispy home fries and roasted carrots. So that will use potatoes. And thank goodness the linguine does not have potatoes in it. But I wonder, does it say how many? It says use 5 to 10 of the Yukon Golds, 5 to 10, 5 to 10. So I'm just going to have to separate these out into 3 different amounts. That way I make sure I don't use them all up for one meal. Again, a benefit that Home Chef, they bag them individually, so I don't have to worry about anything about that. A nice big recycling ice pack. Y'all know I love these and save them so I can take on trips with me. But again, this one says cut a corner, empty the non-toxic contents into the trash, and recycle the plastic pack. And there we go. So that's nice. It's nice that I can do that, but I'll probably be saving those up for us to use for other stuff. And then we have our boneless, skinless chicken breast. So because we picked the 4-person, I'm sure there's 2 little breasts in each pack. So this is probably one meal for the ancho chicken. And then I'm just gonna lay these back in here. Then I have 2 packs of boneless pork chops. Ooh, they actually look really pretty. And that's going to be for our pork chops and jalapeno gravy. And then we have 2 small packs of ground beef. Now this is an 85-15. I wish we had gotten a leaner version because this is going to shrink up a lot. There's more fat content in this than I typically use. I wish we had gotten at least a 90-10. My preference is the 93-7, but obviously that's a little more pricey. I mean, I don't expect that they would do that. But an 85-15, that's a lot of fat content that I wish I didn't have. But this is going to be for the meatballs. So I'm assuming if you get a small, like a 2-person pack, then it's going to be just this one pack. If you pick the 3-person, I really don't know. Maybe they have a different size, but this is a half of a pound of ground meat. How much is this? This is 10 ounces, and this is 10 ounces. So decent sized portions. You'll get a 5-ounce portion for each person on those, and then a 1/4 pound-ish. You'll lose some of that weight once you cook it off for the meatballs. But it looks good. I'm excited to try them out. We'll probably start with, do these tell us how quickly you need to use them up? No, it does say prep time. For all of these, prep time is 5 to 10 minutes, and cook time is 35 to 45 minutes. Obviously, if you're more skilled in the kitchen, or once you get accustomed to reading their stuff, then you'll probably go a little bit faster. I always suggest reading your recipe before you even get started prepping. That way you're not going back to the recipe card a million times. You'll probably be still referencing it, but read it all the way through from start to finish first, then gather your stuff up and get it all going. But I don't see in here where it tells us like how long the food will last like the other does. It tells me like 3 to 5 days is pretty much what you want to use. It does also tell you what you'll need in your kitchen, like your kitchen pantry. So flour, butter, cooking oil, salt, pepper, butter, black pepper, cooking oil. So again, another thing I noticed is with Home Chef, they'll send you the butter, the flour, the oil for some, not like a tablespoon of olive oil, but if you need to fry something like these home fries, they'll send you the oil to fry them. So we're gonna have to see. Maybe I just really do have a love for Home Chef that I didn't know until I started recording this, but we'll let y'all know, see if we develop a love for every plate also. I'll bring them back in a day or 2 and we'll cook one of these meals up and see how yummy they are. But thank y'all for joining us. Let me know if you've tried one of these subscriptions or this subscription, or if you're interested in seeing more things like this. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.